Welcome to the Zeninbox guide on creating and managing labels for your contacts. Contact labels help you organize and prioritize important connections efficiently. To get started, navigate to the Labels section and select the Contacts tab. This is where you can view and manage all the labels associated with your contacts. To create a new label, click on the Add Label button located at the top right corner. A dialog box will appear for you to input the label details. First, provide a name for the label, such as VIP, to indicate priority contacts. This name helps categorize your contacts effectively. Next, add a description to define the purpose of the label. For example, highlight important contacts that require priority attention. This ensures clarity for you and your team. Choose a color to visually identify the label. For instance, red for high-priority contacts. This makes it easy to distinguish at a glance. Once you've entered all the details, click Add Label to save it. Your new contact label is now ready to use. Let's look at a use case: prioritizing VIP contacts. Imagine you handle key clients who need immediate responses. By creating a VIP label, you can tag these clients in your contacts. This ensures they are easily identifiable and their needs are addressed promptly. To apply the label, go to the CRM Beta section, select a contact, and assign the VIP label. This will mark the contact for priority attention. With contact labels in Zeninbox, managing and organizing your connections has never been easier. Start labeling your contacts today to improve efficiency and streamline communication.